And we hear another one coming. And this was only like, I don't know, like 13, 14 minutes after the last one. Yep, there it is.
It is a BNSF. I knew it's going to be a BNSF because, like, BNSF come every, like... Done!
What?
There's an anniversary train on it!
Nuh-uh.
I'm preferring an anniversary.
No way. 6016. Hey, it is. Look. And a 6075. No way. 2 in 1 day?
2 heritage units!
In 1 day?
Yes! But this train is going kind of slow, actually.
It is.
No, what? Daddy, we've seen that! For that 25th anniversary on the heritage unit app!
Yeah, but this one's a different one, right? It's not the same number as the one we've already seen, is it?
No!
Sweet. We haven't. I thought we have. What's different about them?
Is that like the hoppers on the bottom? They kind of like curve into each other.
Oh, yeah. Well, the one that was parked here earlier that we didn't film, had hoppers like those.
Like this. Look.
Oh, like those. Oh, yeah. I was gonna say because the one that was here earlier has hoppers on it like these. Yeah, so you're saying that one's different. It was, wasn't it? Isn't that awesome?
Yes. This was train.
In our 5th video, right?
Yeah.
And I still think I heard, a train whistle from the north. So there may be another one coming soon too. Oh no, I hope it doesn't stop in front of us if another train's coming. Because then we won't be able to really see it too well.
But so far these trains are like kind of short right now. Right?
Yeah. I don't know. It's pretty long. I like watching, if you look over at the corner of the concrete, and when the wheels go over it, it dips down. Do you see that?
No.
Look over in the corner.
But I see it on like the other side though.
Oh, you do?
Actually, I don't see it.
Just look real close at the corner of the concrete. And you can watch it move up and down.
I don't see it. I'm looking closely and carefully, but I can't see it.
Here, look. It's right there.
Oh, I don't see it though.
You just gotta pay attention and focus on it, and you'll see it go up and down.
I saw it now.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, there's the end. Good thing the end came up. It's returning. That train was actually pretty short, wasn't it?
I mean, it was 4 minutes long.
4 minutes long?
Yeah.
Luckily it didn't stop in front of us.
Yeah. All right. Do you have anything to say?
Bye. Bye. We already seen the 25th anniversary, but bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and never unsubscribe. Bye.
All right.